What's this word? What's that word?
Zebra.
Very good.
Yeah.
How about this one?
Elephant.
Very good. This one, oh, what's this word?
Mama.
Papa. Papa.
Papa.
Oh, that one, what's that?
Ano?
What's this word?
Papa.
Oh, Papa.
Papa.
Very good. That one, what's that word?
Touch.
No.
Touch.
Mouth.
Mouth.
Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Ay, sit down lang. What's this word? You read
Mouth.
first. You read, what's this word?
Moon.
Moon. Very good. This one.
Tiger.
Very good.
Tiger.
Oh, this one. What's this word? Oh,
Tiger. Tiger. Tiger.
What's this word?
Tiger. Six.
where are your chicks? Chicks. Very good. Oh, this one. What's this word?
Boy.
Very good. Do not run. Sit down lang. Oh, what's this one?
Armpit.
Oh, where's your armpit? Very good. Oh, what's this word?
Food.
Very good. This one, what's this word?
Key.
What's that word?
Keys.
Very good. Key. This one. What's this word?
Ants.
Very good. Oh, what's this word?
Awesome.
Very
Pa.
good.
Makanong
Oh, what's this word?
S.
Very good. And that one, what's that word?
Mama.
Very good. That's mama. This one, what's this word?
Toes.
No. What's that? Knees.
Knees.
Oh, like that. That one. Very good. Oh, this word, what's this word?
Duck.
Very good. And this one, what's this word?
Fish.
Very good. Clap back, clap boy boy. Pogi, pogi. Cute. Pogi, cute. Oh, very good. Strong boy, strong. Tarzan, Tarzan. 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 What's that? What's this word?
Swing.
No.
Second.
Huh? Shorts.
Sword.
No. How about this one?